morning, user experience. What means that for me? I want to tell you a little bit about one feature, what we have in our WEYTEC KVM system, the presets, which I think makes your life easy to work with the system. So user presets, we have different user presets. We have a login presets, for example. We have a user preset, and we also have a last user state. And I want to tell you and want to show you at the system how it can make your life easier. Imagine you starting in the morning, a little bit tired from the work from yesterday, and the system will remember you what you really want to do. So the first thing what you are doing is logging in with your username. The system starts, and it's set up in a way that it starts every morning with a login preset, with your own preset, which shows always the same displays and the same applications, so that you are really fast, quickly ready to start working. So that's the third thing what makes it easy to work with the system. The next one is, as I said, maybe you want to remember what you did yesterday and what you want to finish now today. And I did it in a way that I really set up a user preset, which I also can open very simple with a key. I will show that you. And now you see the screen's changed, and in the middle there is a document which I want to read this morning, which I want to finish, and when I read it, when everything is correct, I will send it over to marketing and they can print it. So you see, it's nice. The system remembers you really what you want to do in the morning. You can finish it very easy and quickly. The last thing is what you also can do is when you want to do it directly, that the system open with the last user state. So that means you left it in the evening, you open it in the morning in the same way, and you can start working. You can also do that. You can also set up the system in that way. Okay, that's for it. Thank you. Working in a larger team gives you also an advantage with the WEYTEC KVM system. Working in a larger team means you have different functions in the team, different tasks to do in the team, or different activities. We are saying the so-called roles in the team. And it's independent from the user. It's more on the desk. So you're going to a desk and you're logging in and you're selecting your role. And with the role, you determine which systems you are working to, and also which functions you have available. I will show you that in an example. So you see, I logged in with my username, and then I can choose the role here, for example, the role of a police. And you see already that the screens are switching on, and I see I can have now the sources, the PCs, which I can work, and the workplace shows a different functionality for me. The same is now when I can have the same with another, for example, I'm the team leader, I'm the supervisor now of the team, so I'm logging in with my username, and now I can choose the supervisor role, and then I really get different displays, show me different PCs with different application for me. So I can directly, it's independent which user I'm working, which user are logging in. After that I'm selecting my role, and now I'm getting really a different workplace. And it's really a workplace which is set up for my function which I have at this day. But something else I want to show you now. I can control with the same system, with the WEYTEC KVM system, I can also control third parties. Third parties, we're saying, for example, everything which is in the building, like a lighting system or power system, or the curtains maybe. We can also control that with the system. Therefore, you can customize the displays, which is a touch display, you saw that already. And we can say, for example, we show the whole room, and in the room the lighting system. So I can really know exactly what I'm doing. So going now to the menu for the room. So you see the whole room here displayed, and you see where are the lightnings here in the room. And I can switch off, and starting maybe with the right one, switching it off, and onwards with the left one, switching it off. So you see now it's really dark. And when I want to switch it on again, just starting then with the left one and start with the right one. And I had the light again. So it's really easy for the user, for me, to know exactly what I'm doing. Other thing what can happen is really that you have maybe a doorbell and want to open the door, like an entrance for the room. You see there's a doorbell ringing, I get it already shown in the display. And here I can just go to its menu and open the door when I want. So you really can customize this in a way that the user who's sitting now here in front at the same place can work very simple, can do other control or can control other systems in the room which he needs. For me, it's that nice because the workplace gives me possibility really to control the other systems, to also not to change the keyboard in a way and not to change my place. I'm in the same place and I can do everything with one system, the WEYTEC KVM system. Collaboration with the WEYTEC KVM system. So what I want to show you is how you can collaborate with somebody together, with your team together, like a Teams call, for example, working with other people together. And you will see it's very easy also to share contents with other people here. Let's do a Teams calls to my colleague in the US. Hi Simon, how are you? You called me yesterday and said you want to share something with me aloud and just do some changes. Let's share everything. Okay, and I will also bring you to the video wall, which is very easy, simple. It's one click, and I have it on the video wall, and also make it really bigger than we have here the whole screen. So I think we see it on the desk side. You want to do something, you said, isn't it?
Correct. Actually, I want to show you that if the client wants to add more screens, we're going to just duplicate this IP03 4K receiver. Click here, and then basically we add the screens.
And you see, other people here also in the room can see it because we are really on the video wall, and also can listen to you because the audio is just presented over our loudspeakers at the desk. It's something what is also integrated in our system, in the WEYTEC KVM system, that you can present the audio on your workplace on any loudspeaker you want. It's also possible to do it on the smartTOUCH or on the external loudspeaker when you want. And you see also I have the headsets. I'm just hearing him at the headset, speaking with him over the microphone here over the headset. So thank you very much, Simon, for that. See you then, have a nice day, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye. So thank you very much for listening, that you had some time. I was happy to show you how simple it is to work with the WEYTEC KVM platform. My user experience, what I like to work with the platform. And so I hope I see you soon in the next time. Bye.